In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple tattoo stencil from any design. Let's start with the stencil paper. I always use the Spirit brand, as I've had the best experiences with it. It consists of thin paper, a top sheet, the blueprint, the most important part for us, and a thick protective sheet. We'll remove the thick protective sheet because we don't need it. The intermediate top sheet is also unnecessary. I placed the design on the blueprint. I deliberately chose a design with thick lines and shading to better explain the technique. Using a ballpoint pen, I trace all the lines in the design. Not just the outer thick lines, but also the fine lines within the design. I hold my template against light to check if I missed anything, like a leaf in this example. The more details you want to incorporate into the design, the more time you need to spend on this process. As you can see here, I'm not just drawing one line for the leaves, but also tracing the small notches. The lines are looking good. You can rotate the design as you like. You don't have to stick it to the blueprint. A blueprint can be used multiple times. Now, let's add the shading. I use a dashed line to mark the shading so that I don't confuse it with the thick lines. As you can see, the two dashed lines serve as a guide. I create these guidelines throughout the entire design. However, you can also work without these guidelines and shade directly away from the template, but that takes practice. Now I'll show you how to apply the stencil to the skin. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for the support. Before sticking it to the skin, I cut it out with scissors. Wear gloves and shave the area on the skin. Use each razor only once. Then, clean the skin with skin disinfectant. Apply stencil stuff evenly and position the design on the skin. If part of the stencil is missing when peeling it off, you can gently readjust it, so always peel it off slowly. Feel free to comment on which topic you'd like a video on. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey.